How to make VIM settings computer dependent in vimrc. I share my VIM configuration file between several computers. However, I want some settings to be specific for certain computers. For example, font sizes on the high-res laptop should be different to the low-res desktop. And more importantly, I want VIM on Windows to behave more Windowsy and VIM on OS X to behave more Macy and VIM on Linux to just behave like it always does. That might be a strange sentiment, but I am very used to switch mental modes when switching OSs. Is there a way to make a few settings in the .vimrc machine or OS dependent?
OS detection in .vimrc. To test for a particular machine, you can test the output of the hostname command. For example, you could also test the value of available environment variables. The $display variable can also be useful.
I have this snippet in my vimrc. This simply executes source.home/.$hostname.vimrc if it exists. I've used hostname and concatenation. You could also use the more succinct expand $home/.$hostname.vimrc if you know that $hostname is always set.
The previous answer about OS detection does not detect OS X and MacVim for me, and neither does using HasMacUnix, as the documentation suggests it should. Here's what I use to distinguish between Windows and OS X. Note that as Win32 worked for me, even in 64-bit VIM on 64-bit Windows. You could also use similar tests of uname within the if as Unix block to distinguish other flavors of Unix. Just run uname or uname A from the command line to see what you need to compare as column uname with. See also column hmatchster if you need to compare just a part of uname's output.